On the August 1st, 2024, Flux 1 hit the scene and blew everyone's mind. Now just 2 months later, Flux 1.1 is here. And guess what? It is already ranked number 1 on Hugging Face text-to-image generator leaderboard, beating out big names like Ideogram version 2 and Midjourney version 6.1. Unfortunately, as a top-ranked AI image generator, Flux 1.1 Pro is not free. Anything with Pro in the name isn't free. You know it, I know it, everyone knows that. But there are sneaky ways to get Flux 1.1 Pro for free. Stick around and I'll show you how. Don't worry, there's no installation or cracking involved. So without further ado, let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Lazy Life Hack. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. Alright, so there are a few ways to get into Flux 1.1 Pro. You can try at FreePic, Together AI, File, and Replicate. So let's go through them. First up, FreePic. You can use Flux 1.1 Pro here, but it's not cheap. The basic essential version starts at $9 and that gets you 7,000 credits per month. If you use Flux 1.1 Pro, you will get about 58 images monthly. That is around 15 cents per image and it is a bit expensive if you ask me. But let's keep looking. Next up, we have File. Like FreePic, you still have to pay, but it's way cheaper. It is only 4 cents per image. It is of course so much better deal than FreePic, but since have to pay, it is still a no. And there is Replicate. Same as File, it is 4 cents per image. Here they even break it down for you. You can get 25 images for $1 or 100 images for $4. Again, both Replicate and File are way cheaper than FreePic. Now let's move on to Together AI. So this is the one, guys. At Together AI, you get a one-time $5 free credit when you sign up. Wow. Which means, yes, it is 125 free images. I'm not joking because if you do the math, 125 images multiplied by 4 cents, you get $5. Sign up with 10 Gmail account, kaboom, 1200 images for free. Isn't that crazy? Lastly, Rubbarband. It is not listed on the site, but as of now, they give you 50 credit per day. Wow. If you use Flux 1.1 Pro, it takes 5 credits per image, so that's 10 images per day if you use all 50 credits. Again, sign up with 10 emails and that's 100 free images per day. Well done. And don't forget that this rubber is without an E. I will go into more detail about Together AI and Rubbarband since both are free. I will include all the links in the description as well. Let me give you a quick thought in case you get lost. First, sign in with Google. After signing up, you will get your $5 for free right away. You will start in the Playground tab under the chat session. All you have to do is change it to image and it will take you to Image Session Playground. If you click at the model, you will find all the Flux model in series. Change to Flux 1.1 Pro and you can start generate your image. To check your remaining credit, click on the profile at the top right and select Upgrade Now. Under the Billing tab, you will see how your credits are being used. Also, like I said before, Together AI gives you free $5 credit if you sign up with a new Gmail account every time. I have tested it and it works. The only problem is, I still don't know where other generated images are stored. Let me know if you figured it out. At Together AI, you can also try other models like Meta from Facebook and once popular, Stable Diffusion. Just make sure to check the price before you use them. Rubbarband is a simple to use AI image generator and doesn't need as much navigation as Together AI. Click the sign up and choose your Gmail account and you're done. You will start at the text prompt generator and straight away you can input your prompt. This setting icon will allow you to adjust settings like the number of images, aspect ratio, and model. Keep in mind that you can only get 10 images per day. If you set the number of images to 4, you will use up 4 images in one go, leaving you with 6. So if you want all 10 images to be different, keep it set to 1. When you generate images, they will appear in chat format like ChatGPT. To check out how many images you have left, click on the profile at the bottom left. Your chat history will be saved under your chat at the top left, and your generated images will be saved in the gallery. You can also try other tools here. The Remove Object and Upscale tool works pretty well for me. And if you run out of credit, just sign up with another Gmail account to get more 10 images per day. If you want to subscribe, it is 4,000 credit for $25 per month, with 2 months free on annual plan. With 5 credits per image, you can create about 800 images using Flux 1.1 Pro. It is actually a pretty good deal. So both Together AI and Rubbarband have their pros and cons, but who cares, they're both free. It is rare to get this many free images from a top-ranked image generator like Flux 1.1 Pro. So go ahead, let your creativity floodgate open. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know what AI tools you're curious about or if you're having an issue with AI. Thanks for watching and see you in next video. Bye.